Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable custom domains for Bubble apps with SSL detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable custom domains for your Bubble apps with SSL, first, log into your Bubble account. Go to your app settings by selecting the Settings tab from the left sidebar. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Domain and Email section. Enter your custom domain in the provided field. Ensure that the domain you enter matches the one you own. Next, open your domain registrar's website in a new tab. Log into your account on the domain registrar site. Locate the DNS settings for your domain. Add a new name record. Set the name record to point to your Bubble app domain, which typically looks like appname.bubbleapps.io. Save your changes on the domain registrar's site. Return to your Bubble app settings. Scroll down to the SSL certificate section. Select the option to enable SSL. Bubble will automatically create an SSL certificate for your custom domain. It might take a few minutes for the SSL certificate to be issued. Once the certificate is ready, test your custom domain by visiting it in a web browser. If everything is set up correctly, your app should load securely with HTTPS. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to propagate. If you encounter any issues, double-check your name record for accuracy. Also, verify that your domain is registered and active. For further troubleshooting, consult Bubble's support documentation. This guide provides a straightforward method to enable custom domains for your Bubble apps with SSL. Following these steps will enhance your app's security and professionalism. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.